Hi everybody, and welcome to a full hotel tour of the Comfort Suites in Avenel, New Jersey. So, without further ado, let's walk into the hotel. Comfort Inn Suites. As you walk into the hotel, you're greeted to a nice lobby. Over here is where you have pastries. And over there is the front desk. Here is a very nice sitting area, complete with tables and a bar. And over there is the breakfast area, which due to the time of day, it's closed. And down here, we got public restrooms. And outside is some little patio. General offices. These are the elevators. We'll take a look at that in a few minutes. These appear to be meeting rooms. Let's take a look at the business center. What a nice business center it is. We got 2 computers with a printer. And it's really quiet in here so I can concentrate. Here we have a fitness center. And wow, this is a nice fitness center, complete with a bicycle, a treadmill, and some weights. And there's a TV for entertainment. And we got a scale. And here's a mirror where you can watch the pounds go away. And they give you a water dispenser and some towels. And over here is an ATM. And over here we have guest laundry, stairs, and some other storage. That's an employee's area, only area. And here are the elevators. These elevators will be featured in a separate video, so I'll accommodate one full trip on one. I'm gonna go up to 7. Now we're gonna go to 6, which our room is located at. Here, we have a phone. And we are in room 601 today. So, we'll be back in a few minutes to do the hotel room tour. Here we go. As you walk into the hotel room, you are greeted into this long hallway. Internal corridor, which exterior corridor doesn't apply. Walk in here, you have the closet area. Here we have a Davenport, which has a sofa sleeper. I'll be down in a minute. And the bed is a nice king-size bed with a nice comfortable mattress. We have the HVAC digital thermostat, ice box with cups, and a TV for entertainment, and a nice comfortable work office desk with a chair. Here we have a Whirlpool microwave oven, coffee, and a mini fridge. And here we have the sink area for the bathroom, hair dryer, and here we have the actual bathroom, which is actually pretty nice. You got your standard arch shower curtain, and check this out, a heat lamp. There's the toilet, shower. So this will conclude this hotel's tour. I know it's really quick. I didn't get into many details, but with that being said, hope you enjoyed it. And that's it.